Hey everyone, if you're a professional barber, a hairstylist, or just someone who wants salon quality grooming at home, you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 best professional hair clippers on AliExpress in 2025. From high-speed motors to zero-gap precision blades, these clippers are dominating the game right now. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Number 1. VGR V015 Vector Motor Hair Clipper. The VGR V015 is equipped with a powerful 9,000 RPM vector motor, making it ideal for heavy-duty, all-day use. It features stainless steel blades, low vibration, and a sleek, ergonomic body designed for professional barbers. It also includes multiple guide combs and a charging base. This clipper is a beast when it comes to cutting performance. It glides through thick hair with no pulling or snagging. The noise level is surprisingly low for such a high-powered motor. The battery life is excellent, lasting around 3 to 4 hours per charge. Pros: ultra-fast 9,000 RPM motor, long battery life, professional-grade performance, very affordable for its specs, an ideal pick for professional barbers looking for serious cutting power without spending a fortune. Number 2. VGR V946 Ice Tech DLC T-Blade Trimmer. This model comes with a zero-gap T-blade, ceramic cutting technology, and an 8,000 RPM brushless motor. It's built with a premium metal body and has a cool ice blue finish that really stands out. The V946 is designed for precision detailing, lineups, and fades. The ceramic blades remain sharp for months and stay cooler than steel. Battery runs about 2.5 hours. And it charges fully in under 90 minutes. Great for both edge work and full haircuts. Pros: DLC T-blade is super sharp and durable. Beautiful design and premium feel. Runs cooler than steel blade clippers. Precise for tight fades and detailing. Perfect for barbers who specialize in crisp lines, sharp fades, and precision styling. Number 3. BRD116 Professional Brushless Hair Trimmer. Equipped with a 7,500 RPM brushless motor, a 2,000 mAh battery, and a sturdy base charger, this clipper is built for professional salon use. This trimmer handles both wet and dry cuts with ease. The brushless motor ensures quiet operation and reduced wear over time. The build quality feels premium, and the grip is excellent even after hours of use. Pros: long-lasting brushless motor. Base charger adds convenience. Great battery life, 4 hours use. Durable, salon-quality body. If you want a long-lasting, professional tool with salon-grade precision, the BRD116 is a worthy investment. Number 4. BRDCLIP 106B divided by 116 divided by 609 series brushless clippers. This series offers 7,500 RPM brushless motors, DLC blades, and a solid metal body with 7,000 RPM shaver compatibility. Comes in multiple variants to match your personal cutting style. Super versatile, ideal for barbershops that need a range of cutting tools. These clippers stay consistent across longer cutting sessions, and the DLC blades reduce skin irritation. The inclusion of multiple heads and blade types makes it a true all-in-one package. Pros: very consistent motor speed, multiple models with flexible options. DLC blades reduce heat and friction. Includes a high-speed shaver attachment. Great choice if you want an entire grooming system in one package, perfect for busy barbershops. Number 5. MARK 10,000 RPM Professional Hair Clipper Set. MARK's 10,000 RPM clipper is a high-speed powerhouse built for ultra-fast cuts. This 2-piece set includes a clipper and trimmer combo, ideal for professionals who need both tools on hand. It also comes with premium guards, oil, brush, and a travel case. This is one of the most powerful clippers on AliExpress. Cuts through curly, thick, or wet hair like butter. The trimmer is equally impressive for detailed work. Both units have strong battery life and charge quickly. Pros: extremely powerful 10,000 RPM motor. 2-in-1 clipper plus trimmer set. Excellent accessories included. Great for all hair types. Ideal for those who want unmatched cutting speed and value from a complete grooming kit. So, there you have it, the top 5 best professional hair clippers on AliExpress in 2025. Whether you're a pro looking for speed, power, and precision, or just want the best for your home grooming kit, there's something here for everyone. All product links are in the description below. Check them out if you're ready to upgrade your toolkit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech and grooming gear reviews every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.